Let's go over a very useful strategy that you probably already use and don't even realize as you're answering questions about reading. It's called RACE. R stands for reword the question. A, answer and understand the question. C, cite textual evidence. And E, explain yourself, your answer, your thinking. Let's look at an example. Here's a question from a reading passage about peanuts. It says, in the sentence, they grow on flowering plants that bear seeds in pods. What does the word bear mean? So first I reword. What I need to do is use context clues to determine the meaning of bear in this sentence. In this case, I didn't necessarily write a new question. I just made what I had to do. I have to use the context clues of the sentence and the passage to determine the meaning of bear in this sentence. So what does this word bear mean? They grow on flowering plants that bear seeds in pods. Well, the answer that I came up with was bear means make or produce in this sentence. But I can't just skip to the answer. So a lot of times you have to do this a little bit out of order. Because really, here's why I thought that. The sentence says they grow, and the passage is talking about where and how peanuts grow. So because of that, I thought growing, kind of making, there's my evidence of what the passage says and what it's talking about that helped me come up with that answer. Let's explain my thinking as to how I came up that bear means make or produce. So, bear means make or produce because the passage is saying that the peanut plants make seeds in pods, or that peanut plants bear seeds in pods. In my reasoning, notice how I just kind of replaced the word make with bear, and it still made sense within the passage and everything worked out nicely. So clearly make and bear would be good close synonyms and able to help define the other word. So, race, reword, answer, cite, explain. This usually happens quickly and not always in order. You will have to cite and explain in your head to find the answer. So usually you have to cite and explain first, and that will help lead you to your answer.